Today, I'll show you how to fix an iPhone 13 that is not charging. This problem usually happens due to an issue with the charging IC, so we will replace the charging IC. So let's start the video. We will disconnect the display connector and take out the logic board. Then we will remove the washers from the logic board and place it on the preheating station to separate the two parts. After separating the two parts, we will remove the charging IC, also known as the U2 IC. Let's take a look under the microscope to see how it's removed. We will apply a little paste on top of the charging IC and use a hot air gun to apply airflow. After removing it, we will solder the socket using a soldering iron and then clean the solder with soldering wick. Finally, we will clean it properly using alcohol. Now we will take the new IC, align it properly in the socket, and then solder it in place using a hot air gun with airflow. Then we will join the two parts of the logic board, reconnect the display connector, power it on, and check if it's charging. As you can see, the result is right in front of you. Thanks for watching.